All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to take a super simple recipe and turn it into your new favorite healthy habit. We're talking about an incredible protein bread you can whip up in just a few minutes. Okay, so you know that feeling, right? You're craving that delicious, warm, comforting bread, but you're also trying to, stick to a healthier path. It can feel like you have to choose one or the other. Well, what if I told you that you don't? Well, this is the solution, a bread that's not just packed with protein and all kinds of good-for-you ingredients, but it's also ridiculously easy and quick to make. So let's get that oven fired up. And what we're about to make is, seriously, a total game changer. It's savory, it's super satisfying, and it's built on wholesome ingredients. It's really the best proof that you don't have to pick between delicious and nutritious. Okay, so first up, let's get our ingredients together. It's pretty simple. We've got our dry mix, then our wet and fresh stuff, and of course the cheese. Now, what's so cool here is the combination of flours. The almond flour, it gives you that richness and moisture. But then the coconut flour comes in and it's like a sponge. It soaks up liquids so things don't get soggy. And that psyllium husk, that's our magic ingredient. It's the key binder that holds everything together, kind of like gluten would, but without the gluten. All right, next up, the wet and fresh ingredients. And this is where the protein power really comes from. 4 whole eggs and half a cup of cottage cheese. I mean, that's a serious protein punch right there. And it adds so much moisture, while the spinach and leek pack in nutrients and this fantastic subtle savory flavor. And of course, we can't forget the cheese. This is where that amazing, irresistible, savory flavor comes from. You've got the cheddar for that sharp, melty goodness, and then the Parmesan for that distinct, salty, nutty kick. What a combo. Okay, ingredients are ready. Now this is where the 5-minute part really comes to life. Putting it all together is so fast, you're really just a couple of quick steps away from popping this dough in the oven. I'm not kidding, you literally just dump everything into one bowl and give it a good mix. But, and this is super important, do not skip step 2. That 10-minute rest is absolutely crucial. It lets the psyllium husk and coconut flour do their thing and soak up all the liquid. It's what makes the dough consistency and the final texture just right. So while that dough is resting, go ahead and get your oven preheating. We're looking for 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. That's kind of the sweet spot, right? It's the perfect heat to cook them all the way through without burning the tops, so you get a perfect even bake. And believe it or not, that's it for bake time. Just 22 to 25 minutes. All you're looking for is that beautiful golden brown color on top. You know your oven best, so maybe just peek in after about the 20-minute mark to see how they're doing. So while those buns are baking away in the oven, you've got the perfect window to whip up this amazing dipping sauce. It's totally optional, but I highly recommend it. And the sauce is so simple. You've got that tangy Greek yogurt as your base, even more protein, some crushed walnuts for a great crunch and healthy fats, and then, of course, fresh garlic, salt, and pepper to bring it all home. And how do you make it? It could not be easier. You just combine everything in a small bowl, give it a stir, and that's it. In less than a minute, your delicious, healthy dip is done and just waiting for that warm bread. Okay, by now, your kitchen probably smells absolutely amazing, right? That cheesy, garlicky bread smell, it's the best. And that means your healthy, homemade bread is ready to come out. This is the moment we've been working for. So here it is. What this whole thing really proves is that eating healthy can be fast, it can be easy, and it can be so satisfying. You just made something incredible from scratch that's going to nourish your body and just taste amazing. But really, the biggest takeaway here isn't just about this one recipe. It's about getting inspired, right? What other comfort foods do you love that you could reinvent with just a few healthy swaps? The possibilities are, well, they're pretty much endless. Go have fun with it. Enjoy.